Ready? Exercise number 10. Start. The counter affidavit dated 33/2008, the supplementary counter affidavit dated 18/12/2008, and the supplementary affidavit dated 22/1/2009 have been filed by the management respondent number 2, wherein the impugned order passed by respondent number 1 has been justified. In the aforementioned affidavits inter alia, it has been stated that Raj Bahadur Singh, lecturer in history, who was promoted to the post of principal, also retired on 36/2003. As such, the post of lecturer in history in the institution became substantive on 36/2003, and it no longer remained a short-term vacancy. Therefore, the petitioner was appointed on ad hoc basis against short-term vacancy, ceased to have any right to continue against the substantive vacancy. It has been further stated that respondent number 2 notified the vacancy on the post of lecturer in history to the Selection Commission on 5/7/2003. In pursuance of the same, one Ajit Kumar Singh was selected by the selection board, and appointment letter dated 28/10/2008 was issued in favor of Ajit Kumar Singh by the committee of management of the institution, and he joined the post of lecturer in history in the institution on 31/10/2008. However, the DIOS Jaunpur, in convenience with the petitioner, sent a letter to the selection board to adjust Sri Ajit Kumar Singh in some other institution, as the petitioner was working and getting salary under the interim order dated 31/1/1994 of this court. It has been further alleged in the aforementioned affidavits that in pursuance of the letter of the DIOS, the selection board adjusted Ajit Kumar Singh in Azurai Intermediate College, Dharamraj Ganj, Sherwa District, Jaunpur, by letter dated 31/12/2008. As soon as Ajit Kumar Singh came to know of the said order dated 31/12/2008 passed by the selection board, he immediately approached the selection board, informed it that he has already joined the post of lecturer in history in the institution on 31/10/2008. Therefore, his adjustment in another institution is illegal. Selection board consequently, by letter dated 12/1/2009, cancelled his earlier order of adjustment dated 12/1/2009. Copy of the order dated 31/12/2008 has been appended as Annexure 1 to the affidavit filed by respondent number 2. Stop. Next para. Heard Sri G.K. Singh, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Sri A.K. Sinha, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 2, and the Learned Standing Counsel for the respondent number 1, and peruse the record. Stop. Next para. The post of principal fell vacant in the institution on 36/1993 on account of retirement of one Raj Bahadur Singh. It has also not been disputed by the respondent number 2 that the short-term vacancy on the post of lecturer in history had occurred on account of promotion of one Raj Bahadur Singh to the post of principal on ad hoc basis. Since the vacancy caused on the post of lecturer in history was short-term vacancy, it was governed by the provisions of section Removal of Difficulties Order. Stop. Next para. A bare perusal of the impugned order clearly reveals that the respondent number 1 had treated the vacancy that arose on the post of lecturer in history as substantive vacancy, and had proceeded on the assumption that the ad hoc appointment of the petitioner on the post of lecturer in history was not on short-term vacancy. under the provisions of second removal of difficulties order, but it was an appointment under section 18 of Act 1982. Therefore, the DIOS Jaunpur was of the view that selection of the petitioner should have been made by the selection committee as constituted in accordance with ordinance dated 14/7/1992 under bracket, whereby section 18 of the Act 1982 was amended and not by the management. Stop next para. Now the question for determination is whether the ad hoc appointment of the petitioner was under the provision of the second removal of difficulties order or it was under section 18 of the Act. Stop next para. The second removal of difficulties order provides that short-term vacancy is the vacancy which is substantive and is of limited duration. There is no dispute that the vacancy on the post of lecturer in history fell vacant on account of ad hoc promotion of one Raj Bahadur Singh to the post of principal. As such, in accordance with second removal of difficulties order, vacancy was not substantive but was short-term vacancy, and the provisions of second removal of difficulties order would have been applicable, and the provision of section 18 of the Act 1982 had no application. As the vacancy of the post of lecturer in history was not substantive, the appointment of the petitioner was on short-term vacancy. Therefore, the Committee of Management was fully empowered to appoint the petitioner on the said short-term vacancy in accordance with clause 2 and 3 of second removal of difficulties order, since the appointment of the petitioner was not under section 18 of the Act 1982. Selection committee as provided under the said ordinance had no role to play. Stop next para. Learned counsel for the respondents has vehemently argued that provision of second removal of difficulties order has not been complied with by the management and the appointment has been made without approval of the DIOS Jaunpur. As such, the order is illegal. I do not subscribe to the view of learned counsel for the respondents. Full stop. Thank you very much. Guys, there is one humble request. Please always try to repeat the matter, then only your fluency and accuracy of shorthand will improve. And also there is one more request. If you found the matter is excellent, you can give your valuable comment on my YouTube channel, and also for same matter you can subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.